Has your ex-spouse stopped following the terms of your divorce settlement? Maybe payments are late, property hasn't been transferred, or custody arrangements aren't being respected. If this sounds familiar, you should know this. You are not powerless. Let's walk through what counts as a violation, how courts handle it, and what options you have to protect your interests. A divorce settlement is a legally binding agreement that sets the rules both spouses must follow once the divorce is final. Courts treat this agreement as a binding contract, which means enforcement is possible when problems arise. Most divorce settlements include three key areas: property and debt division, financial support obligations, and parenting plans or custody terms. Property and debt provisions explain who keeps certain assets and who pays specific debts. That can include homes, retirement accounts, vehicles, or credit card balances. Financial support terms may include child support, spousal support, or both. The agreement specifies the payment amount, due dates, and duration. Parenting plans outline where children live, how parents share time, and how decisions are made. These rules help provide stability for children and clarity for parents. Repeated violations, like denying visits or ignoring decision-making rules, can lead to court review and may even affect custody rights. In real life, violations often follow familiar patterns. The most common include missed or partial payments, failure to transfer property, and custody or visitation interference. When reviewing violations, courts usually consider three factors: intent, pattern of behavior, and impact on the other spouse. Judges consider whether the violation was intentional or due to a valid reason, such as illness or job loss, and whether it was a one-time or repeated issue. They also look at how the violation impacts finances, parenting, or property. If your ex is not following the agreement, the law provides clear steps you can take. One option is to file an enforcement motion, asking the court to require compliance. Supporting records, such as payment histories or written communications, can help prove non-compliance. Another step is requesting a contempt hearing. Contempt proceedings focus on willful refusal to follow court orders. The court may require the violating spouse to follow a payment plan, transfer assets, or complete supervised exchanges to protect your rights. If harm occurs, judges can order financial compensation, including repayment of missed support, unpaid debts, or withheld assets, and may also impose penalties such as fines, wage garnishment, or temporary loss of privileges. However, enforcement isn't always the only solution. Sometimes, modification may be more appropriate. Courts may adjust the agreement if there's a lasting change in income, health, or living situation, or if a child's needs change or a parent relocates. The key takeaway is simple. When a spouse violates a divorce settlement, the law provides clear paths to enforcement or change. At Blattner Family Law Group, the focus is on providing guidance, structure, and support. Our team combines strategy and compassion, using a proven method that centers on practical solutions to protect your family, finances, and future. If you're dealing with a divorce settlement violation, guidance and structure can make all the difference. Get in touch to find out how we can help with your case